Hello, I'm Dan Walton. I'm the founder and creator of the Common Loon call. And what I'm going to do here is take a quick minute to teach you real fast how to use this. This is all about airflow. There are no moving parts in this, so the sounds are made by controlling how much air. And all you have to do on this particular call is just apply enough air pressure to get a low tone. Practice a couple times, get your airflow rhythm going where you're comfortable. Then the next step is to apply enough air into the call to jump it from low to a high pitch. Once you've accomplished that, then on the high pitch, back off on your air pressure to drop to a low pitch. That is the Common Loon's locate call. Now what we're going to show you is how to do the wail. That is a call that they'll use when they're trying to locate other birds early in the morning or in the evening. All you have to do is apply enough pressure for a low to high and then open up the high end a little bit in the end. That is our wail call. And to do the yodel, it's the same thing. To simply apply enough air pressure to go from low to high, but at the same time we're going to be covering one side of the beak and we're going to interrupt the flow of air by breaking the flow with our hand. By using all these combinations together, you can create, excuse me, and duplicate the sound of the Common Loon. With a little practice, you'll be able to call any loons anywhere where there's water.